I think we heard this word Zen, but Zen actually is the Japanese pronunciation of the word Chan from Chinese, and Chan in Chinese means Dhyan from Sanskrit. So it comes from the word meditation. But Zen is not just about meditating in the serene Zendos, it's also about learning the sutras. And one of the most important sutra of Mahayana Buddhism, which Zen belongs to, is called the Mahaprajna Paramita Sutra, or the great book of perfecting wisdoms. And in this sutra, they talk about 6 wisdoms that one needs to perfect in order to achieve nirvana or singularity or oneness or nothingness, as the Buddhists, think of it. And these 6 wisdoms are, the first one of them is generosity or dana, ethics or sila, effort or virya, not you virya, concentration or dhyana, patience or shanti, and wisdom or prajna.